Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the initial checkout of a Mickey Mouse telephone, and this is Don's telephone from Texas. And so Don's got a note here, and he says, problem, does not transmit, and then he has receive, bell, and dial work. So he does not have any modulation or any transmit. And so what we're going to do, he did not send in the body of this Mickey Mouse telephone because there was no need to. Some customers send the whole telephone in and some do not. And it does help out with shipping when they don't send the body, because the body can be removed, and all we really need is the base and the handset. So this is a really cool Mickey because it has the rotary dial. So that's nice. And I'll show you here the tag on the back. It's an actual Mickey Mouse telephone. A lot of these bases will look the same on Mickey and Snoopy and Kermit and some of the other ones, but this is a Mickey telephone. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to go through the network. We're going to go ahead and do some troubleshooting and go through the network here and go through all the wiring and make sure everything is good. And then we want to go back into the handset and make sure everything's good. Now I'm sure Don probably put a different handset cord on it and checked some things, although I don't know that for sure. But what little testing that we have done at this initial stage here on the troubleshooting is we know the handset is good, and the handset cord and the modular port for the handset cord. So we're going to be looking back into the rotary part of it and back into the network. So we'll be troubleshooting that, and we're going to go ahead and take a short break and go ahead and troubleshoot it, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and so we've been troubleshooting the network, and so what we've found that there is a problem in the network. We also want to stabilize the network some. If you notice, it's pretty loose, and we want to get that squared away so that it's not bouncing around in the unit. So we're going to go ahead and pull the network out, and then we're going to stabilize the network and repair the network at the same time. But I want to show you here. We'll go ahead and plug the telephone in. I want to give you some dial tone. And if you watch the analyzer, we'll go ahead and dial our numbers. And you can watch them go by on the analyzer. We'll walk through all the numbers. I'm going to end in a 2, and now what I want to do is I want to transmit into the handset. And if you watch this red light here, it should be lit as I modulate, and there's nothing there. So it definitely does not have any transmit. Give you some dial tone. And then we also want to ring the telephone. We'll let that go one more time. Give you some dial tone. I want to dial a 2. I want to try to transmit into the handset again. And there is no transmit whatsoever. So we're going to go ahead and remove the network and work on the network and get that squared away and take care of our transmit and also stabilize our network. We don't want that network to flop around and have any more problems after we're finished. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with this telephone. we went ahead and went into the network and repaired it. We also stabilized the network so it's not slapping around and cause damage in the future. So we've got that squared away. So now what we can do is we'll go ahead and turn the telephone around here, and we want to plug in, give you some dial tone. We'll dial a 2, and then what we want to do is transmit into the handset here. And if you watch this red light here, every time I modulate, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know this telephone has transmit and receive, and it's dialing out, and the bell rings. So we'll go ahead and ring the bell. I'll let that go one more time. Give you some dial tone. We'll dial a 2, and I'll transmit into the handset again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know this telephone is working. We'll go ahead and dial our numbers. I'll walk through them. I'm going to end in a 2. Now what I can do is move the telephone over to a regular line. Give you some dial tone. And we'll call like a time and temp number.
Good morning. Offenburg St. Clair Auto Mall with 5 new car lines at one location in O'Fallon. Offenburg.com. Today is Thursday, September 6th. The time is 12:19. Current temperature at 79 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast. Partly cloudy overnight and on Thursday. Low tonight around 70. Thursday's high upper 80s.
Okay. Now we can call one other number. I can call my number, and it'll be busy. Okay. So now that we know that this telephone is repaired, Don can start enjoying Mickey again. And he's got a really cool telephone here. Although he did not send the body with this telephone, it's not really actually needed, and we were able to take care of his problem because everything that on Mickey, on these style Mickey telephones, everything is in the base that we need to deal with. Really cool rotary telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Don's Mickey Mouse Telephone from Texas. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.